so nice. He decided to make the cookies for us. It's 5 of them, one for each of us and Hershey. Something good before he leaves us until next year. Yes.
Making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, da, 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 oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Yes, day 25. So we both have a big one. Is that 25?
Yes.
Go ahead. You can open it. I wonder what her... Oh, what is it?
I want to. Yes. Yes.
I'm not sure.
Yes.
Is it like a page
Yes.
holder?
Yes.
You know what I mean? Like a... She said yes. I think it's a bookmark. I feel like... Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Okay. That's so pretty, right? Yes on that. Here you go.
Thank you.
Wow, so it's all done. Look at her. Oh, my goodness. Is it something in there?
Yes.
Oh, which... Oh, we forgot to do 24. That's right. That's why she was like looking like, wait a minute, I didn't do yesterday. That's right. So let me see. What's 24? Oh, she has a patch. Remember I had a patch? That is so funny because I completely forgot, but she remembered. I'm sorry, Mommy.
Yes.
So yes on that. So we both got patches for yesterday and then 25. I wonder what mine is. But yes, it's all done.
We get all done.
Wicked is all done.
All done.
So let me do Harry Potter. This girl. You want to do Mommy's 25 for Harry Potter? There it is. Let's see what. Oh, this looked like a dentist, right? Oh my goodness. I think it's a letter opener. I feel like that's exactly what it is because there is the letters, right? That Harry Potter was getting. Mm-hmm. So yes on that. When she pulled it out, it looked like the dentist little thing, right? She waiting for it like it's hers. Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. So yeah, oh here. There you go. So yes on that. Wow, this was a good one. I love the 25 days. So Hershey's all done, right? And then the teas, I didn't realize when I was doing it yesterday that this was all done too. So we did, that's why it was, what was it, like have something with Santa, a drink with Santa or something like that, right? And I said, oh, I'm gonna be drinking this tonight. So yes, these were so fun. And the Disney mini brands are all done. Day 25. Oh my goodness. I wonder what the last one is. These were all fire. Like how they got that coming out of there like that. All of the things I'm so familiar with. This Naked palette was fire. That's insane. That is insane. The Tarte one, the polish, the blow dryer. You got to stop it on that. Let me pop 25. The Monday conditioner. Yes! That is so darn cute. Wait a minute. Does it, let me see. Open. Okay, no. I wanted to see if it either pumped or if it opened. It doesn't. Oh my goodness. Yes. Day 25. This one was fire. I mean, I have like at least one really, really good one every year, right? The wine, the 1 year, this one, the cheese, right? Oh my goodness. So yeah. Oh, you know what? I was just thinking, hubby did help me with the cheese one. Mm-hmm. So yeah, we are done. Wow. I really enjoyed this one. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. Oh my goodness. I can't believe that is over. We went hard 25 days straight. It was really, I think this was the most fun I had. I feel like I read the comments every night. You guys are what I see. I guess that's the safe way of saying it, right? Before I drift off to sleep every single night for the past 24 days, right? So yeah, Pablo was rocking. The advent calendars were fire. I really, really enjoyed the mini brands, right? I think you guys did too. And a couple of you went out and had that Ulta one too, right? And some of you were different than me. So my day 24, he's in there fussing. Where is she in the football game and Detroit about to lose? It's a whole thing. Some of you guys had the advent calendar, but what you got like in your day 12, I guess, was different from mine. So that made it fun too. But oh my goodness, Christmas was really, really chill. It was fun. The girls are older, 20, 15, about to be 16. My baby girl is about to be 16 in 2 weeks. Oh my goodness, 111, triple ones, right? So it was just really good. The girls have been chilling all day. Hubby was chilling. I was chilling. I made breakfast and dinner at the same time because I kind of treated today, it feels like a Sunday, right? And so that's how I treated it. You guys know I don't do anything on the weekend. I don't clean. I don't do any of those things because I do it all week. That's the dishwasher on now. because our bellies are full from that roast, which was fire, the rice and beans. So I made everything at the same time. So by 12 o'clock, I was done. You know what I mean? I was done the searing. Everything was in the oven. You know, the pancakes were made. So it was a really, really good day. It was a really good day. And I'm going to cry. I'm going to cry because this was really fun. This was a really fun time. You guys always say in the comments, oh my gosh, I saw you. Thank goodness I was having a rough day. I have it too, and I have those moments, and you guys do it for me too. So it's just the whole 25, Hershey's about to ring. Oh no, she fooled me. 25 days straight, it kind of went like, I'm not going to know what to do tomorrow, basically, right? I don't know. I love you guys so much for all the support. You know, being just in the family, right, is, you know, hard enough. Everybody has their personalities and things going on, right? My Autism Family Life we move a little bit different, right? And, you know, the girls, they're doing so good. I mean, they have come such a long way. And it's the little things that I look forward to. You know what I mean? Like, you know, it took them a long time to call me mommy, right? So I waited for that for years, maybe 6 years. Girl, see, I can't talk. Maybe like 6 years old, you know, and Sydney is the one that really, you know, because of the autism, because of the epilepsy, she's my babies are going to be with me for the rest of their lives. And I'm all about it, right? So yes, but I keep looking at her because she keeps walking over, but she's not ringing. What time is it? She's about to ring in a minute. But yeah, I just, you know, you guys are so kind, and, you know, some of you give me advice, and I appreciate that so much. Some of you relate 100%, you know, so there it is. So hubby does the last go out. So, but yeah. All right, enough of that. So yeah, it was fun. And please, in the comments, let me know what your favorite part was. You know, seeing me go to work, right? You know, I say, I got to get ready. I'm going to the train, you know, but seeing me, you know, going to work, or, you know what I didn't do this year? I didn't do my Starbucks. I got the thing going over here. I got the dishwasher over here. It's all these sounds. I didn't do the Starbucks holiday drink. I was thinking about doing it when I was in Vegas. Remember when I went to the Starbucks store in the Venetian I think I went to get vanilla chai, I feel like, right? Remember when I went and got the Target order and stuff, they had to deliver it? Kara's headphones. I can't believe I traveled during Vlogmas. That was fun. That was a first. And we wouldn't have done it if the Wizard of Oz or something very significant, very important was happening. You know what I mean? But that was a first. That was fire. Yeah, that was fun. And hubby, he's so supportive. Like, he knows, you know, don't touch the food until I record it, and don't do that. You know, it's like the girls too. It's just a great. My family is great, and I love hubby and the girls and Hershey girl so much. And you guys are a part of me, and I always say that I can't do this and my success, girl. We reached 17K on the channel. Thank you so much. And yeah, during Vlogmas, right? Because we've been chilling, we've been chillaxing every day. Oh my goodness. It's like, I know I'm talking too much. So I'm gonna end it here. And yeah, I feel like I have something else to say. I don't know what. I did my nails over. So some of you are like, Tish, you need to relax, sit down somewhere. You're constantly running, right? Hubby says it, Yvonne says it all the time, right? Solange, she says it all the time. You know, you're constantly doing so much. Just chill, go take a nap. I got the girls. She is such a blessing. And I'm like, no, I gotta do X, Y, Z. Today was part of that chill for me. I was able to, I forced myself, and I shouldn't have to do that, but I just feel like I need to be on the go. But I went back upstairs. Hubby was watching the game. The girls were cool in the game. And I went upstairs and did my nails. And I was watching The Last Best Man. You know how it's Best Man Holiday, and then Best Man, the final chapters where it's like 8 episodes or something. I started rewatching that. I only watched it once and I couldn't remember what happened. Threw that on. So that was cool in the gang. So it was just, I chill. I did my nails. I'm happy. And yeah, but I am going to miss you. I'm saying like I'm never going to see you again. Girl. I will see you soon, most definitely. But I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, and I hope you enjoyed Vlogmas. I enjoyed it. This was so fun. This one was so fun. Hershey, oh my goodness, she loved that box. She loved that box so much. So, all right, I don't think I talked this much during the whole, during the whole Vlogmas. Oh my goodness. But, all right, I think I'm gonna say goodnight. It's like I don't want to leave. I think I'm gonna say goodnight, and I'll see you soon. Bye.